I got a Ravo Tier 3 I-Series machine. That was a crank no start. First I found that they had the wrong batteries in the machine, so it was cranking way too slow. Next, once I turned the key on, I was checking all the fuses up here that control all your main node cards. Then I found I had no power on the whole one side bank here. Then I could hear a slight vibration noise coming in. It was actually coming from the timer relay. I swapped the timer relay out and the machine fired right up, so make sure you check your timer relay if you ever have a crank no start on a Ravo street sweeper.